hello to our viewers. How are you today? Today we are in the beautiful Mount James. That is in Golden Springs, St. Andrew.
Right. It's rural St. Andrew.
Yeah, rural St. Andrew. So we had a street food event. So it's called, what's called? Thanks to Jody. It's called Street Food Saturdays. Street Food Saturdays. Yeah.
And so the thing is, there were a number of items to eat. So they had like, well, as a matter of fact, let me say that we are doing this recording after we've eaten, right? So
Why?
so I mean, the
We had
food was so
smoothie.
good. Smoothie, that was so good.
I said the cow skin soup.
It was so good, yeah. And the consistency.
Fried rice.
Yeah, we had seasoned rice. The consistency of the smoothie was very impressive. It was so smooth and nice. And up here is pretty cool. Guys, it was a good evening.
Yeah, a day well spent.
It's not a day, we were here for an evening.
An evening well spent.
Yeah, right. So, thank you so much. And by the way, thank you to those of you who have already subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. It's that red icon. And
yeah, it's totally free. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. You just click it. No cost at all.
to who?
To
you.
Nobody.
Right, so hit the subscribe button, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's travel Jamaica with us. Have fun with us.
Journey with the Jacksons.
Woo!
What is this?
Saltfish mac and cheese.
Say again?
Saltfish mac and cheese. It has 4 cheeses in it. Cream cheese, mozzarella, pepper jack, and Parmesan cheese.
What is it?
Turkey.
Turkey neck.
Turkey.
Only glazed.
No, guava.
Oh, guava glazed. Perfect.
This is roast sweet potato. And over here was the jerk pork, which
Jerk
is
pork.
finished, which is seasoned rice.
Oh, jerk pork finish?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is what is left out for?
Yes. And this is jerk pigtail.
Jerk.
Pigtail.
Jerk pigtail. No.
This is fried green plantain.
Nice. Pass. So now we are waiting on our orders. What did you order?
Sweet potato. It's
Pigtail.
roasted.
Yeah.
Pigtail with
It's sweet potato, and then we have some green plantain and what else? Yeah.
So it's sorrel glazed pigtail with jerk potato. We're going to get some seasoned rice and
The mac and cheese finished. So
we're going to get instead of the smoked sawfish mac and cheese, we're going to get the plantain, fried plantain.
the pigtail is finished, so we have to get the turkey.
Nice.
This is the last coffee.
My gosh, I lucky, sir. Only what buy? One drink of rum. Come like, she take more than what if you did give her.
If you do one second, but you're going to wait again, right?
You and you.
Hubba, please.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
I'm smelling the rum with John. All you got the cup.
Nice. What kind of lemonade?
It's lemongrass lemonade.
Okay.
Never make you cry. Never hurt your feelings, no. Never tell no lie.
Nice.
It's you I give my love, girl. Don't even ask me why.
I think yeah.
Hi, Shona.
It's actually a video though.
So Shane, how you like the lemonade?
No, I mean I had to take it from Shane because Shane kept drinking it.
But I done it.
Hey guys, so we're having glazed turkey neck with some
Relish.
relish. A relish?
Yes.
Yeah.
Made
No.
from scratch.
Yeah. True, yeah. And some green plantains pressed. And this is seasoned rice. This has look like it's made with the pumpkin. I don't know. So there's some coloring. Yeah, but it looks like there's pumpkin. And a little ackee. I don't eat ackee, but there's a little piece of ackee there. And then there's cow skin soup. Yeah. And we have some, what is it? Some fruit smoothie. Yeah, let me try this. I like this. Nice. This is good. Real natural fruity.
Yeah, it tastes
And
good.
then this is
Lemongrass lemonade.
yeah, lemongrass lemonade with lime. So good.
Yeah, tastes good.
Shane had one whole cup already. This is mine.
Yeah.
Alright, it's time for us to eat.
Yeah.
Let's go, Joe.
Let's get into this food.
So what's tasting for you? Let me try this. This is like jerk rice.
Jerk rice.
This is good. So good.
You can taste the flavor.
Here's this is cow skin. Alright, let me taste it. It's really good.
Come on, Joe.
And so this is turkey neck. And in Jamaica, it is said that turkey neck, the name also is poor people oxtail. And but this is actually well dressed turkey neck. So this is guava glazed the turkey neck. So good. Turkey neck tastes like some jerk meat or something.
We just devoured the food. Yeah, we got full. The belly full.
You sure?
The food was good.
You sure? Your belly full? Gavin, you sure your belly full?
Sure, my belly full. Ladies, how was the food and the experience?
It was awesome. Belly bust.
Man, so what is this right here?
That was pickled vegetables. And we had guava glazed turkey neck, roasted fish, roasted
Snapper, banana leaf.
Ah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Flatbread.
Yeah. Wait. What is this again? Oh, this is the pigtail. This is the pigtail with the roasted potato. Oh, Sonny doesn't have to joke.
Right, you know what I mean? Flatbread.
This is a 5-spice pan chicken.
What?
We eat everything. We
What
try
is- what is
everything.
this?
Okay, guys, the 5-spice pan chicken
Yeah,
with
this
jerk,
one, the
sweet
fried
potato.
shrimp.
Yeah, with the touch of shrimp. Yeah. Wanna go? Yeah, I like on vibes.